Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Hey guys, so today I will be making loaded chicken and shrimp fries, cheese fries. So I am going to show you this process. So let's get it going. Okay, first off, we're going to need some cheddar cheese for the sauce, for the cheese that I'm going to make. A cup of milk, any kind that you want to use. I use 2%. 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to use like 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, some Cajun seasoning, a teaspoon of that, and some kosher salt, teaspoon of that. On the other hand, for the fries and everything, the fries, I will be putting them in an air fryer. I have some lettuce, I have some shrimp, I have some sour cream, tomatoes, chicken already boiled, cooked, creole seasoning, black pepper, nachos, the pickled jalapeno peppers, garlic powder, and I don't know if I said the fries, but yep, of course the fries. So I'm actually about to start this process. We're gonna have the works on these fries, so get ready. Hey guys, so I'm gonna actually start making the cheese first, and I am going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in there. It's about 2. It's about 2. Let that melt. Once it melts, I will add 3 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour. Okay, we have the butter melting now. We're going to add the 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm actually going to blend this in till it get like a thick layer, a nice thick layer. I have it on a medium heat, by the way. And it's going really quick. Now I'm going to add the milk, the 1 cup of milk. Easily. I actually added a tablespoon of kosher salt and creole seasoning. I'm going to stir the milk until it actually starts boiling. Okay, it's now ready for the cheese. I'll add cheese and about 1.5 cups. If you need more, you don't think you have enough, you can add more. On low heat. Just stir. Keep stirring it. feel as though I have enough in there. See? Cheese on point. On point. Homemade cheese by me. I'm going to put some olive oil inside of the pan, the fryer, just so the French fries won't get stuck. I'm going to start adding French fries. They're straight cut fries. Look. I got these from BJ's as well. You know, BJ sell everything in bundles. Big amounts. Can't just go and get a small amount there. And I'm not going to actually cook a whole bunch of fries because it's only for 2. But I'm going to cook enough. Yep. Fries is already going to have the works on it, so you don't need a whole bunch of fries, especially for 2 people. And put some pepper on it, season it up a little bit. A little bit of garlic, salt on here, and I want it to season. A little bit. I'm gonna let these air fry for about approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Turning them halfway through. Okay, I just added a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, well, 1 tablespoon of butter. Sorry about that. 1 tablespoon of butter. So what I'm gonna do next is place my peeled and deveined shrimp on here. Turn it up to at least medium heat, somewhat medium. Let it cook at least 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Mind you, the chicken is already taken care of. It's already boiled. I know everybody knows how to boil chicken. It's already boiled. Put a little bit of seasoning in there, salt and your regular pepper, you know, regular everyday thing. Cut some onions up in it, let it cook, let it boil till it was done. So that's just set aside. Okay, so I just flipped this side to the other side. I'm gonna let them cook for actually 3 minutes. There's some creole seasoning on the shrimp. And some garlic powder. And some pepper. Put that on there to season the shrimp. Okay, shrimp is all done, seasoned up, ready to go along with the sauce. All ready to go, just waiting on the fries. My fries are already done. I have my lettuce and tomatoes already washed. Wait. I'm gonna actually start putting this on it. It's gonna be so good, you guys. So good. Told you it was gonna be loaded with the works. Yeah, I was not playing. Now I'm going to add the shrimp. Wait till it gets done. Something different. Get my sour cream and my peppers and the fat. Please, jalapeno. Little tough time opening it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Opened it. These bad boys on here. My son, he can handle it. I don't think my daughter gonna be able to handle the jalapeno things, so I don't think I'm gonna put it on hers. Cheesy. I usually put a little salt in it, but I season the stuff up. So I'm not going to do that this time. Okay, would you look at that? Shrimp and chicken loaded fries. Now, who wouldn't want some of that? Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that post notification button so you can be aware of when the next video uploads. Thanks for watching again. Until next time. See ya.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to